Now let's call our psychic bird, Dazzle. Dazzle is our super present kakatu. Scientific name is Kakatua galarita. Common inhabitants are open woodlands and forest areas along the east coast of Australia. They're well-ordered and can mimic almost any sound. They typically feed seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. And they also love corn. Now guys, do you think that has the ability to find this hidden object? Well, if yes, then say, you can do it, Dazzle! Come on, Dazzle, find the hidden object for us. And she found it! Round of applause for Dazzle with Trainer Mikey. Now our next featured birds are just like any big dog. Monogamous, meaning the remains or partner for life. Pretty romantic, right? But as any couple that attends in a relationship, they're always bata. Means sassy and rock. Are you the perfect game ako? Not today. They will button it out to see who starts the basketball game. But before it starts battle, I will divide you into two groups. So girls will hear more sassy. Come on girls, let me hear. Sassy! Sassy! And how about the boys? All the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on boys, let me hear. Rocky! Rocky! Alright, so boys ready? Trainers ready? Set, go! Here comes Rocky for the first ball. Followed by Sassy. And second ball for Rocky. And it's not time for the last one's gonna win it. Rocky wins! Trainer Gina, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time. Hold it, we want another race. Oh, she want another race, Trainer Jerry.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Well, this time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about. I'm thinking about the ring race.
And what is the race?
The first bird who can drop the rings into the pole that passes is the winner, and that is the ring race.
So the ring race shall be. Remember guys, boys have already 1 point and girls, come on. Let's use Sassy to win this time. And we will do this again and this time our winners. Ready, set, go! Here comes round for the first ring. Oh, and what's happening? Sassy picking up the 3 rings at the same time. How clever is that? And the winner is Sassy. Trainer Jerry, what can you say about that? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, he thinks she did?
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky, Trainer Vina and Trainer Jerry. Parrots in particular are known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills and to make work. So here's Sassy once again. Sassy's going to show us how intelligent is by putting the ship back into the correct slot. Just like Sassy, Greek customers how they forget intelligent of giant of the parrot family. It is because they're the second largest, next to the highest in the box. They can grow up to 92 centimeter in length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachnoidea. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salt, minerals, and water rocks. And for the last day, come on, Sassy girl. And there you go, intelligent right at the most for Sassy with Tiger Vina. Now guys, who loves what? Everyone here knows addition, right? Because this next part of the Once again, an adult will read 500 pesos. Come on guys, just raise your hands up. Okay, I think you got one. Hi mom, please come on stage. You will notice that the words Sparkle are mostly model. It is because they are intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and listening kind. They have a very good memory and can remember even the smallest details. Hi ma'am, good afternoon. Welcome to Manila Ocean Park. Ma'am, what is your name? Oh, what are the applause for our volunteer, please? Yeah, can you repeat? And can we follow this way? Now, ma'am, all you have to do is stand right here. All you have to do is stand right here and face it this way and extend your left arm just like this. As I put your money between your fingers. Now, ma'am, do you have any idea what will happen next? Okay, let's see. Now, let's call our body word body. Body flies over. And he gets some money and flies back. And I think body just donated the money. Around the applause for Ma'am, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds?
No.
Well, now you learn money will go a long way and we're ready to now go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Anyone else? How about 1,000 pesos for this time? No more? Ma'am, excuse me? Are you okay? You sure? You look so sad. No, ma'am, we're just kidding. It's all part of the show. Please come back here in front and we will give your money back. Mom, Buddy saying something. Before Buddy gives you money, Buddy wants to give you a kiss, okay? Now, all you do is stand right here, look at the camera and cover your chin. Sweet, one more. And how about on your hand, just over the palm, look at the camera and smile. And there is your money. Round of applause for our volunteer and body. Now that you have seen our colorful and intelligent parrot, we would like to introduce you another species of birds here in Manila Ocean Park. Birds of prey, also known as raptors, hunted by other animals. The term raptors came from the Latin word raptare, meaning to seize or to take by force. These birds are characterized by their quick vision that allows them to detect prey during flight, and they also have powerful talons and wings. Ladies and gentlemen, please look to your left, presenting our brownie kite. Here comes Speed! Brownie kites are typically known as Salias tornadoes. One of the permanent network is these birds of prey around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including here in the Philippines. And here comes Shadow! They are known as Sawi or Banon in this Salias region. And as reuse and recycle. We're doing our son of the earth and they're going to show us how the proper waste disposal. See, if our lovers can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope all of you enjoy our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our way, no matter how small the effort, let's take action in saving them from all exploitation and human extinction. Please, let's all do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the way home, live back. Now, let me present to you the personal trainers who make this show possible. Trainer John with Rocky. Trainer Albert with Sassy. Trainer Jerry with Body. Trainer JB with Shadow. Trainer AJ with Speed. And once again, Trainer Jane, thank you and goodbye. By the way, guys, please remain on your seat because we still have the Silay show. Thank you.
Okay po, yung mga naiinitan po, pwede po muna kayo magbukas ng payong habang di pa po nag-iinsan dito. Pwede po muna kayo magbukas ng payong habang wala pa po yung pilay. Then, ganun na lang din po ulit. Pag nag-start na yung pila yung show, pa-close na lang din po ulit